Hello there, good afternoon. We've got some very unseasonably strong winds heading our way tomorrow, but for the time being, after this morning's cloud and bits and pieces of rain, things are just beginning to cheer up. We've got some fresher, brighter skies heading our way. It's going to be really quite a pleasant afternoon. Temperatures in the low 20s, maybe 24 or 25 in a few spots later on this afternoon, and settling into a fine evening as well. However, Storm Floris is heading our way. We will see the cloud and the rain begin to build in the early hours of the morning. Temperatures are a bit arbitrary, to be honest, because the cloud and the rain will rattle through into the first half of tomorrow, bringing with it some very strong winds which will last all day, widely gusting between 50 and 70 miles an hour. More details this evening. Hello there, good afternoon. We've had quite a cloudy and damp start to the day. Bits and pieces of rain coming across, and it's been a bit misty and murky out there as well, hasn't it? But it's starting to cheer up quite nicely. We've got some much brighter skies, freshening things up through the afternoon, and in the best of the sunshine to come, 23, 24, maybe even 25 Celsius. Parts of Lincolnshire taking a while to brighten up later this afternoon. It will last through this evening though, and it's the calm before Storm Floris. We'll see more cloud and rain begin to build in the early hours of the morning, so expect a spell of quite intense rainfall for a few hours first thing, but it'll rattle through fairly quickly. But the wind, however, will be unseasonably gusty. Gusts of wind widely 40 to 60 miles an hour. See you later. Hello there, good afternoon. It's going to be a very windy day tomorrow, I'm sure you're already aware. But for today, we've had quite a lot of cloud and some rain. It was pretty misty and murky over the higher routes first thing this morning, but things are starting to brighten up. So we'll see some sunshine developing through the afternoon, and it'll feel pleasantly warm with temperatures in the low 20s. Now, it's a fine evening, the calm before the storm. Storm Floris is, as you already well know, going to bring some heavy rain and some very strong winds as well. By the early hours of the morning, we start to see the rain coming through. It'll be pretty heavy for a couple of hours, but then clear out of the way relatively quickly. But the winds gusting widely 50 to 70 miles an hour, perhaps stronger than that across more exposed areas. More details this evening.